This course, we'll be building a very simple crypto price bot in JavaScript from scratch that can basically go through the prices of your favorite crypto coins, and if any of them hits a certain price threshold that you've set, you will then receive a text message to your phone right here that'll tell you the price of the crypto. In order to start coding, we need two things. So let's do a recap of what we just made. Well done, well done. A good programmer is one who's able to search the answers even when they don't know the answers. So here, one research tip is to be really specific with your searches. And to see here, someone has answered that question. The question is, can we get our program to automatically search through different cryptocurrencies? And with that, we'll learn how to use dependencies and third-party libraries. Yeah, that we got a text message, and there we go.
Hi, my name is Ray. I'm a lawyer by day, programmer by night. I've built various tech products both by myself or under a tech company, as well as taught code to professionals. Internationally, I'm more well known as Techie Ray, being the creator of the world's first dance synchronization analyzer app that went viral on social media and international papers. I'm here to share my knowledge to help any absolute beginner to become a self-sufficient, self-taught programmer. My course is concise and hands-on, through which you will learn coding not just for the sake of coding, but as a means to build something useful in your life. Even if you're not into crypto or this course doesn't cover everything, you'll still learn enough practical skills to be able to go off to learn things on your own, invest in other bigger courses, or build your own projects. So come and join my class. See you on the other side.